Welcome to the Daily Market Review brought to you by OptionsClick.
Hello and welcome to our look at the October 22nd trading session. In front of you, I have the economic calendar. You can see that there are a couple things going on here and there, but without a doubt, at least in our opinion, the ECB press conference is going to be the most important part of the day. And that's because it will show how likely the Europeans are to see the economic picture as improving, the global markets, etc. We do not anticipate any type of interest rate decision change. It's probably going to stay where it is, but gives you an idea of what the central bankers are thinking and interest rate expectations down the road. So certainly could be a very volatile session. Speaking of Europe, we have the euro dollar on tap here. It tried to rally during the session on Tuesday and then Wednesday, and both days saw the 114 level as being a bit too far. So really at this point in time, it looks as if we could break down below 113. If we do, that's probably a put buying opportunity down to 112, but we would look at that as short-term in nature at best. We think that any knee-jerk reaction to the downside, unless the ECB flat out says that it's going to do something drastic, really any pullback at this point in time should end up being value in the longer term. So short-term traders may be able to buy puts, and those of you who are a little bit more apt to stick around, you might be looking to buy calls on signs of support below. Of course, if we go higher than 114, then obviously that's a call buying opportunity as well. The FTSE looks a bit confused at the moment, but really we see it as consolidating. So we buy calls on dips somewhere closer to 6,300, maybe even 6,250. No interest in doing anything beyond that. Just quick short-term smash and grab type trades. And WTI crude oil continues to try to find support. We think it's to be found at 44, maybe even above. So supportive candles, bounces somewhere in this general vicinity do have us buying calls. A break below 44, though, for any real significant amount of time, several hours, for example, would be very negative and have this market falling again. With that, we've taken a look at the October 22nd trading session.
This review was brought to you by OptionsClick, the most trusted binary options broker.